Module 2, Understanding Stocks. Part 3, Examples of Stocks and Their Prices. Examples of stocks and their prices can vary widely depending on a number of factors, including the company's industry, size, financial performance, and overall market conditions. Some well-known stocks with high prices include Amazon, AMZN, which trades at several $1,000s per share, and Berkshire Hathaway, BRKA, which has famously never split its stock and trades at over $400,000 per share. Other popular stocks with lower prices include companies like Apple, AAPL, Microsoft, MSFT, and Tesla, TSLA, which all trade at several $100s per share. It's important to note that a stock's price alone does not necessarily reflect its value or potential for growth. Other factors such as earnings, dividends, and market trends can also impact a stock's overall performance. Additionally, investors should always consider the level of risk associated with any particular stock before making an investment decision. Overall, understanding the prices and performance of different stocks is an important aspect of successful capital market trading. By staying informed and keeping up with the latest market trends, investors can make informed decisions and maximize their potential for success.